What are employer responsibilities under Title VII? Have you ever wondered what employers are really required to do to create a fair workplace? Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 is a key piece of legislation that outlines these responsibilities. This law was a major milestone during a time of social change, especially in the context of the feminine mystique and the broader civil rights movement. So, what does this mean for employers? First, employers must avoid discrimination in employment practices. This means they cannot treat employees or job applicants unfairly based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Every decision, from hiring to promotions, must be made without bias. Next, employers need to prevent hostile work environments. This means they must ensure that the workplace is free from harassment or intimidation. For example, if someone experiences sexual harassment or racial slurs that affect their work, that violates Title VII. Another responsibility is to reasonably accommodate religious practices. Employers should allow employees to observe their religious beliefs, such as taking unpaid leave for holidays, unless it creates an undue hardship for the business. When an employee files a discrimination complaint, employers are required to respond appropriately. They must cooperate with investigations and address the issues raised. Ignoring these complaints can lead to serious legal consequences. Employers also cannot retaliate against employees who file complaints or participate in investigations. This means that if someone speaks up about discrimination, they should not face negative consequences for doing so. Additionally, employers are vicariously liable for the actions of their supervisors. If a manager discriminates against an employee, the employer is responsible, even if they did not directly engage in the discrimination. Failing to meet these responsibilities can lead to penalties, including financial damages or court orders to change employment practices. It can also harm an employer's reputation and workplace morale. In the context of the 1960s, these responsibilities reflected a growing commitment to civil rights. Employers were urged to move away from discriminatory practices and contribute to a more just society. This was a time when women and minorities were fighting for equality, and Title VII played a significant role in that struggle. Understanding these responsibilities helps us appreciate the progress made and the work still needed to ensure fairness in the workplace.